test 2, and today, just today, I got a new device fitted. So, Alright, so there's two devices what have been swapped, and there's one new device. So I think, oh, why are we in the kitchen? Well, it's not a heat detector, but if we come into the hall here, bang! That's right, I got a smoke in the hall now. So there's a Jesus Christ, that toaster. Anyways, we've got smoke with a sound of beacon base on. Yeah, it is conventional. It's working with my 2 to 4 wire panel. Just to show you that. 065 detector. I'm not going to take it down, but we'll start with a test of that, I guess. So we'll go around here. Spray it. That'll do it. Put this down, guys. Oh, come on. Yep. I tell you, that beacon base is really loud. Well, there we go, this is zone 4 downstairs, and yeah, new sounder, basic beacon. How wired in, I haven't finished the job yet. Should be finished for the next weekly test. But as you can see, all the stuff hasn't been wires, we haven't got any conduit, so I'm conduit up the wires. There's some connector blocks here, and there's a C3 sounder board there, which makes it do fast sweep. So yeah, it's basically addressable because you can change the tone of that anytime. So yeah, I'm just going to blow that out and we'll continue the test. Alright, oh, focus. The detector should have had time to clear out now, so we'll reset. Actually, we'll do the call point really quick in the cupboard. The reason why I'm doing the system test today is to make sure all the wires are still intact. And we'll do the Gent call point. Oh, it's in a horrible gruesome place, this one. I'll try and get a better view. There's the call point anyways. Oh, we'll activate all the zones. The suffering zone 1. I've got to say the link to the other panel has been disconnected now. So we'll just open this. Ooh. We'll do the minute view. There we go. Yep, all the zones. Let's reset. Oh, fault won't come up. We'll wait for it. Oh, nice. There we go. I can't get rid of that fault. All the sounders are messed up on the wires. Oh, I don't care. I don't know. Anyways, next detector was the spray. Let's do the orbis now. The orbis is pretty easy to activate. That was ridiculously quick. Oh my god. Tell me if you've seen a detector activate that quick before. I flipping love that detector. Jesus Christ, that was ridiculous, that. Woo. God, oh, that's the bit. No, this one now. Why is this, oh, I think it's buggered. Let's try it again. Come on. Yay. Right, go and clear those out now. Right, now there's the detector in the room what's recently been tidied. We'll shut the door so can you sweet tone on that. And this is the only room in the house which is, oh, there's my old TV. This is the only room in the house which, well, has the old detector. That's what I do, I squirt like that. There we go. blow that out. Alright, that one's been blowing out now, so we can go to the other detector, which is, oh, I can't stand this one, it really noises. I'll reset, just like that. Right, and now we're going to test this one. This one takes quite a bit of spray, so yeah. Oh, it's annoying, this one really is. Come on, activate. Oh, it's not gonna activate now, is it? Oh. Yeah, there we go. Right, I'm gonna let it clear out and we'll do the loft. Alright, the loft is in tough mode, let's go. Pretty much. Turn the light on. We need to turn the lights on. Ooh. Some new cabling's running through here. I'll show you how I've got the sounder going in a minute. In a second. Right, downstairs. We've got, that's the one wire sounder goes to the downstairs sounder. So I guess we'll do the annoying one. See, all them boards are up because we had to go through the loft. Damn. We'll test this. Yep. There we go. That should do it. Any day now. It used to work. Oh, there we go. Oh, what's it doing? I put the system in test. It's buggered. One of the other ones is reactivated. Dang it.